fraction. How do we add fractions? We need to find a common denominator, right? So 2/3 plus 1/5. Technically, this number at the bottom needs to be the same, right? And then you can add the top ones, okay? It's like why we have to go through all this process. Imagine if somebody would tell you, for example, that, okay, let's use the typical example with pizza, whatever. Let's say somebody ate half of the pizza and somebody ate, let's say 1/4 of the pizza. How will you find out how much pizza left? Well, you're gonna look at it and you'll see, of course. But technically, 1/2 we can represent as what? As, for example, let's say there is a pizza and there is, let's say, four big pieces. It's a small pizza. Okay, so, or it's a pie or whatever, something, maybe a cookie. Well, I don't think cookie is enough to share. Anyways, 1/2 could be represented as equivalent fraction as 2, we're gonna multiply it, so it's gonna be like 2/4, right? So technically, 1/2 of this, whatever, pizza is fine. Pizza, okay, is the same, 2 pieces out of the whole thing is the same as 1/2, right? So technically, if we would add these two guys, just kind of like visualize it, what's going on with these fractions. 1/2 is all this, right? What is 1/4? 1/4 is a quarter. So somebody eats just a quarter. So how much left, or how much did we eat? So technically we ate what? 3/4, right? Okay. I initially planned to do this one, but since we are here, so how this happened? How this whole thing happened? This is how it happened. 1/2 plus 1/4. Technically, we just multiply these two guys by 2. Yes, we can do it. It's called equivalent fraction, as long as we're doing this to the both and the top and the bottom. And then you have what? You have 3/4. No, not 3. You have 2/4. 2/4 plus 1/4 equals to 3/4. That's why all this business with fractions, so that we will talk same language. Okay. Okay. I wanted to do this one initially. Okay, let's go back to this one. So here, same kind of drill, right? Imagine we have 15 of something, right? Let's say 2/3 plus 1/5. How do we understand how much we ate of something? I guess I'm a bit hungry. So anyways, so here's the same drill. We need to find the common denominator. Common denominator will be 15. We just multiply these two guys if they're different, right? So we're gonna multiply this by 5, this by 5, and this by 3, and this by 3. And this way they will be equivalent. Okay, so and we go, this is equals to, this guy is 10/15 plus 3/15. See, now we're kind of like talking in the same kind of language. 10 of something, maybe cherries. 10/15 and 3/15. Okay, almost the whole thing. So and then we go 13/15. Okay, maybe. Anyways. Hope this makes sense, okay? That's why the whole situation of this fraction exists, so that we will be talking in terms of same amount of quantity we have, okay?